Welcome to another interesting video about a new AI startup founded by Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos and Samsung, how they team up to fund Tenstorrent to redefine chip technology. Learn how they're taking on Nvidia. Imagine a world where AI chips are affordable and efficient. That's exactly what Tenstorrent, with a $700 million funding boost from Jeff Bezos and Samsung, aims to achieve. This ambitious startup is challenging Nvidia's supremacy by leveraging open-source technology. The funding, led by South Korea's AFW Partners and Samsung Securities, also saw participation from Bezos Expeditions, LG Electronics, Fidelity, and others. With $150 million in contracts already signed, Tenstorrent is directing its capital towards. Stay tuned as we dive into how they're reshaping the AI chip industry. Stay updated on the latest tech innovations and AI breakthroughs. Subscribe to US MarketWire now.